So I received two parts for the DJI Avata. One is the extended landing gear. I believe this is something that might be useful, especially because the landing gear for the Avata is so small. You know, be able to raise it a little bit would be useful. We're gonna try it and see how it is, whether it's something that you may want to pick up. And the other item that I received was the Gimbal Protector to replace the one that comes with the Avata one. Not sure what the main difference are, but we're about to find out. This protective cover for the lens. It certainly is a little bit bigger than the one that comes with the Avata. It's also bigger, and so it protects a little bit more, especially underneath. I noticed that. The one with the Avata, it comes out so easily. So that's a concern, like if you throw it in a bag or something, that it could come out and the lens becomes exposed. When I put this one here, you really hear the click, and it really does a nice job protecting, especially at the bottom. It definitely goes all the way, and it is definitely a little bigger, if you could see. So I'm not sure if you could see that. Let me see if I could get it closer to the camera, but you know, it's a little bigger. And the main thing that I noticed is that it's not very easy, meaning it's tight, which is good, right? So it won't easily come out. You have to put a little pressure to get it out, and I kind of like that. I think it's a nice option and another tool to have for your Avata if you are concerned with protecting the camera. It's definitely, I think this is a nice option. Nice and tight, doesn't come out easily. So yeah, I kind of like it. So I think I'll use that moving forward instead of using the default one. So I was having some issues installing the landing gear, and that's because the guard protector that I have here was covering the space here where this landing gear is going to clip. If you can see right here, it's kind of like it's covering that, so the clip can get through to be able to get to the other side, to be able to get clipped. So if you have this type of guard protector for your Avata, just be aware that you have to remove it in order to use the landing gear. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. Let's see. Nice and steady. I don't think it would be a problem. It's very lightweight. The landing gears are foldable, so you can fold landing gear like that. And even like that, you could probably take off landing gear. That's it. You gotta click. Yeah. So make sure that it's nice and tight. So in my opinion, is this extended landing gear something that I would fly with? And my answer would be, it depends. I believe there could be situational instances where, for instance, you go hiking where the terrain would be very difficult to put a landing pad. Certainly having this extended landing gear will become very helpful and useful during that, under those conditions. I did some testing flying with it, and I really was not able to tell the difference flying with the landing gear or without. I didn't see any anomalies, so it fly very well. The one thing that I wanted to mention, the material of the extended landing gear is kind of lightweight, and in fact I did a quality test. I want to show the video right now. And I just dropped it, I don't know, maybe like a foot from the table, and if you could see in the video, one of the landing gears snapped. But it's fair to say that if you crash your drone, some part of the landing gear is going to probably break. But you know, to be fair, that goes without saying that anything, if you crash your drone, anything will probably break. So in terms of the camera protector, I'm already using it. I think it's a great addition. Certainly it covers a lot more than the default camera protector that comes with the Avata. This is certainly a lot better, a lot tighter, and I think it covers a lot more because it's a little bigger. But yeah, it's a great addition. I'm going to include the links to the store items in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.